Hi guys, this is Jonas from Jonas Home, and today we are doing a mini makeover in the bathroom. Hello guys, today we are going to renovate. No, we're not going to renovate, we're going to save some costs. We are going to do a mini makeover for this bathroom. And right over here, as you can see, it's a little bit wet and slippery. So what exactly happened was during the lockdown, I almost slipped and fell in the shower because of this wet little patch over here. So I'm thinking if we could find something to cover up this little patch on the floor so that it's not so slippery, and with old folks at home, falling down in the bathroom is not a joke. However, if we were to fill up this space, we have some things to work with. As you can see, this door particularly, the glass door open inwards. So we have really very little height difference to play with. As you can see, the curb is sloped instead of regular curb. So, and the drop of the shower screen, the glass, is actually quite small. So we have to find something that will fit. After looking around the internet as well as checking out Ikea's website, we decided to head down to Ikea to have a look to see what they have. We went to Ikea looking for rubber mats to start with. The rubber mats are those that we normally see in hotel rooms, and they are this silicone rubber looking thing with plungers at the bottom. But then most of the time we saw this thing is always like blackened and it looks really dirty, and it's the kind of thing that probably you'll buy and throw away, which I think that's not what we want to do right now, to be socially responsible, not to create more trash. So we was about to leave Ikea in Tampines, and at the checkout we saw that they have this outdoor stuff near the checkout, and there was this decking system called the Runner, and basically some clip system. The bottom is elevated, and the top there's there's probably a material on top that's anti-slip. So there is the primary one is wood, and then there's one more which is grey plastic with a little bit of printed wood grains, as you can see on the side. And they also have astroturf, which is like some carpeted grass. And the last one is tiles. So out of the three, I think the tiles will work the best, but it doesn't make any sense for the bathroom because the bathroom is already tiled. But for the wood, I think it may rot. But then the plastic version, I'm not so sure, because the plastic doesn't feel so good. It doesn't rot, but it's a little bit hollow on the other side, and it may crack or something, so we're not really sure. So then we like the decking system because it's elevated and it allows the water to drain off. So we started to look more like on Easybuy and Taobao, just to see what are the options that we can find. And we look further into WPC. So it's a wood decking that's kind of look like the wooden decking, but it's actually made of wood and plastic composite, like resin or something like that. So we got our hands on some samples, and we have some problems as well for this particular bathroom. So we'll show you in detail. So as you can see over here, this is the decking thing that I was talking about. There is a elevated plastic tray underneath, and this probably allows the water to drain off. And on the top is this surface that you probably see around the public space, like swimming pools and that sort, because this is wood composite. They are made out of wood as well as plastic, so it doesn't rot and probably doesn't change shape. But our biggest problem is this particular bathroom, as you can see over here, is slope, and then the slope is actually not very high. So we have to buy a sample to make sure that the glass door can clear. And yes, this one just barely clears in a few millimeters. So I think we'll go ahead and try to install this one. I've already fixed my camera on the top, the brackets. So we're going to do a time lapse, and we'll see how long we take to figure out this bathroom. Okay, we are all set up. So the camera is on. We clamp the camera on top of the bathroom so that you can have a bird's eye view of what's going on over here. And I actually put a clock here to show you how long it takes to do up this bathroom. I think it's relatively simple. I'm doing it for the first time, so let's see how long it takes. Trying to show how easy this is going to be because I believe that falling down it's not going to be funny, and especially when we have old folks, falling down can be very, very dangerous in the bathroom. So I think by making a video like that, showing you how easy it is to do some waterproof, to do some anti-slip in the bathroom is quite essential, and it's actually quite easy to do. I'll also share with you the cost of putting up this kind of anti-slip thing on the bathroom so that you can consider to do this, or maybe if you have other ideas or other ways to do anti-slip in the bathroom, do share with me in the comments below. And after this, I'll run a time-lapse so you'll be able to look at it from how much time I need to do the setup. Okay, so the decking is done, and I'm going into the details over here. So from wall to wall, from the glass panel to the wall is about 88 cm, and then from the ledge over here to the end of that wall is about 95 cm. Each individual tile is about 30 cm by 30 cm, so this is 90 and 60 cm. I didn't want the decking to go all the way to the edge because the door couldn't open. As you can see, this is really on a slope, so I couldn't raise this up. So what we did is we leave the rest of it with the pebbles, and then on this side 5 cm worth of pebbles as well. So the pebbles are actually quite heavy. I actually rinsed them off because they were a little bit dusty. I didn't cope these pebbles from anywhere. This was given by one of my business friends who actually closed up last year or the year before. Thank you, Victor, if you are watching this. We held this stone for more than a year. I don't know what to do with it, and then maybe until today we found a use for it in the bathroom. So the decking here, as you can see, I tried to rinse off the stones just now, and I'm actually very worried about the water escaping. So I rinsed the stones, and actually the water did drain off. So hopefully there won't be any mosquito if there's no wet water puddles. And then on the decking itself, under the decking, the drainage is pretty good because I think it is there's a black under layer that was raised so that the water did escape. And then because the grooves of these deckings were pretty deep, is very, very deep, as you can see over here. So when I'm standing on the deck trying to rinse off the stones, I felt that I have a very, very good grip on the decking itself. So if you have any experience doing this, or you've done this before for your balcony, for your patio, or in your garden, do leave me a comment. Tell me what problem you face, this using pebbles and decking like that. Of course, to make it more professional, if I have the right tools, I probably would trim off the decking all the way to the edge, and then without any pebbles, so it may be neater as well, and the drainage could have been better, maybe not obstructed by the pebbles, I'm not sure, but the decking definitely won't be sliding. Also because of my slope curb over here, the slope curb, I think if you have a straight curb, I think the decking will sit more firmly. So, but what we are doing this is to prevent people from falling down in the bathroom, but yet making it a little bit stylish. I hope. Do you guys think that is nice? Okay, so I actually brought my brown here. I'm going to shower already. So I'm going to leave you guys with this, and then give me your feedbacks. And if you like this kind of DIY videos, tell me, and maybe I can make more of this. And yeah, we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.